Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and signing in so your data syncs. Once done, give the app location permission to improve accuracy. This matters for routing. Now type a place name, street address, or coordinates in the search bar and pick the correct result from the suggestions. Make sure the pin is on the right spot before proceeding. If not, long press to drop a new pin. This gets you ready to plan a route or explore details immediately. You tap directions and pick the transport mode that fits your trip because route timing depends on it. Then add any intermediate stops by tapping Add Stop and reorder them by dragging to optimize the sequence. Make sure to check alternative suggested routes. Swipe through them to compare distance and time. If needed, open route options to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries so the route matches your preferences. Once satisfied, press Start to begin real-time navigation with turn-by-turn guidance. You follow live voice guidance and lane indicators after pressing Start. They help you make correct turns and keep an accurate ETA. When you find important spots, tap the place card and save to home, work, or a label for future quick access. Once finished, swipe up to see trip details and share ETA if needed. If navigation seems off, verify the typed address, toggle your device GPS, or restart the app. These fixes resolve most location or recalculation errors immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.